Laurie from Madison at Bookkeeping, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to import a vendor list so that it's easier to create your QuickBooks Online account from scratch. All right, let's get started. So now we are on to step 3 of setting up our QuickBooks Online file for a private practice. So what I did was I came up with some simple names of some different vendors I see here in New York State. Now, what you would want to do is start a Google Sheet or an Excel file and just list off the things you see at your bank account. You could also download your bank account activity if that's easier for you and copy and paste them. But what we're trying to do is get our file completely ready before we start adding transactions, because everything goes wrong when you're just clicking and ticking and you just don't even kind of know what you're doing. So it's better to start the file with your vendors in place. We have your health insurance companies in place already from step 2 if you needed that piece. So here we have some that I came up with. It's not too many. So I'm going to say File, Download, CSV. Okay. Now we're going to go over here to Expenses and Bills, and we're going to click down here to Vendors. All right, so we are at Vendors. We're going to click up and click Import Vendors. Now I downloaded that as a CSV, and mine is I'm just importing the name. I just click Next. Now I click Import. And that's it. Now we have the vendor list in here. Now, as throughout the year, you're going to get new vendors that maybe are brand new. You would just simply add them this way, manually or on the fly. And you would just fill in the company name, vendor displaying name, and click Save. So step 3 is pretty easy. Now we will start talking about connecting your bank account in step 4, as we now have most of your codes and we have your vendors and your customers set up. So we will be heading into step 4 and 5 with a very good foundation. All right, I'll see you in the next step.